Well, today is the day that those 16 years of age and older can start receiving COVID-19 vaccines in Michigan. And with the statewide COVID numbers on the rise, especially in the younger age categories, there's hope that the change in eligibility could bring the numbers down.
News 8's Joe LaFurgey is live at DeVos Place with that story. Joe, good evening.
Yeah, the lines that formed outside of DeVos Place today were just some of the 14,688 people scheduled for vaccination this week at DeVos Place. That's not including the rest of the county. But with the situation in Michigan right now, the experts say that they're going to need more than the vaccination to get this under control.
Well, many high school students and their families are hitting the beach for spring break. 17-year-old Mona Shores student Lauren Jackson was getting vaccinated.
I'm feeling pretty good. I feel a lot safer going back to school after spring break.
Jackson was among the first of the 16 and older crowd now eligible for vaccination, receiving her inoculation at DeVos Place. The number of COVID-19 cases continues to rise. Kent County is averaging 203 new cases a day compared to 70 cases a day in early March. And young people, especially those from 20 to 29, are helping drive those numbers. There's also concern the numbers could get worse after everyone returns from spring break, something Jackson is well aware of. She's hoping to lead by example.
Yeah, I think going back after spring break, there might be like a spike, but me going back vaccinated, I think it will help the numbers and help be a precedent for anyone else that's going there too.
Spring break could also bring yet another challenge for school leaders that are trying to keep kids in class. They've been hit hard by the virus despite all the precautions to keep it from spreading inside the classroom.
We're a place of convergence, so we want to do everything we can to make sure that families and students get tested so that they know they're safe when they return to school on the 12th.
When families return at the end of spring break week, they'll have new options for testing. The Kent Intermediate School District and Kent County Health Department will set up testing sites at the KISD district headquarters on Knapp, in Kentwood, Granville, and Sparta. Registration is online. Starting Friday, you'll be able to drive up and get a rapid test that will give you an answer within minutes. And if you're feeling sick or are concerned about being exposed, PCR tests are also available.
And that's the more comprehensive, sort of the gold standard of testing, and that'll be done and you'll learn within 48 to 72 hours your status.
While vaccinations offer hope until we reach herd immunity, testing to trace the spread of the virus remains an important tool to controlling it. But as the number of cases rise, testing has not kept pace. In Kent County, about 2,000 tests are administered each day. That compares to 4,000 during last fall's surge.
Testing remains a powerful tool in our arsenal to slow this down.
London continues to echo the sentiments of public health experts across the country, that while vaccinations are providing hope, we still have a ways to go. Testing, wearing masks, and avoiding large crowds if you haven't been vaccinated remains important.
Life's going to get back normal. It will. We're not quite there yet.
We have links to both vaccination testing as well as vaccination registration at woodtv.com. Live in Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurgey, News 8.